What do you think about social media?
Social media is an internet based form of communication. So
Yeah.
social media allow user to have communication, share information, and create web content. So
Yes.
there are lots of popular platforms are there. So like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube. These all are popular platform where the people are sharing their videos and photos and their information, and we can get lots of information from this all platform. And
Yeah.
apart from this, there are lots of other platform where we are getting information and we can share our all videos and all things. So
Yes.
but these are popular, so I have written here. So we
Yeah.
I'm talking about all this, so I want you to tell the who is the founder of this, like Facebook. So
Okay.
Facebook is Mark Zuckerberg, and the Twitter
Okay.
Jack Dorsey, and the Instagram founder is Kevin Systrom, Systrom, and the YouTube. We are using YouTube. We are a YouTuber, so we must to know about who is the founder
No
of.
about that.
Yes, there are three people: Steve Chen and Chad Hurley, and third one is Javed
Mm.
Karim. So these are the founder of YouTube. So it is a American video making and sharing app. So we are using these days. So these are the my social medias. All preparation I have done about you. Okay,
Yeah.
now tell me.
So you brought so many new things. I must remember for future because these are very relative things. We should use. We didn't think about that. Who is the founder of Facebook and who is the founder of any other social media apps? So this is very useful information you have given. So that time it's a age of social media. Everyone is in engaged in social media. There are many good things about social media, and there are many bad effects also of social media. So
Yes,
every as we can say that every coin has a two parts. So
yes,
as it has also two parts. So I
yes.
want to talk about this good thing about the social media.
Sure. Okay.
Okay, what is the advantage of social media?
Okay.
So by using gain information. So it's the
Okay.
first priority of social media. If you want to get some kind of knowledge, any kind of knowledge, so we can use social media. We can get that kind of knowledge through the social media apps. Okay,
Yes.
there are many apps by which we can get knowledge, by which we can update ourselves, and by which we can study also. We can do study at sitting at our home.
Yes.
And the second one is entertainment. If we there are before that era there was many other different kind of amusement tools. Okay, the people use radio, television, and other things to take enjoyment and to have pleasure. But nowadays there is a very easiest and very happiest way that we can feel very happy by we can have entertainment by using these kind of app. By through
Yes. Yes.
social media we can entertain ourselves, and
Yes.
we
Yes.
can make somebody entertain
Yes.
by
Yes.
using these app. Okay, and if we talk about the creativity, so
Yes.
we can show our hidden talent by using this platform. By through social media we can show our talent, hidden talent, what we have not uh, mm, seen before. If we want to show somebody, so it is very easy way to show our talent everybody to everybody.
Yes.
Easily, everybody can easily know about ourselves
Yes,
through the
absolutely.
social media. Yeah. And the connectivity is also the important aspect of this media, because we are sitting here, you are in other state and I'm in other state, but we are
Yes.
talking face to face. This is the
Yes.
huge advantage of social media, that we can
Yes.
connect people who is anywhere, who is living
Yes.
anywhere, it doesn't matter. We can connect with the people by all
Yes.
online, by audio, by video. So that is
Yes.
a very good advantage of that social media platform. So
Yes.
I think social media is very useful. It's up to us, it's up to the
Yes.
people that how they use that social medium.
Yes. Absolutely.
They want to take advantage or they want to take disadvantage. So if we using too much things, we are spending our most precious time on the YouTube or scrolling Facebook or other platform. So it's only upon us that how
Yes.
we use that. Otherwise it is a very useful platform, it is very useful medium of communication, medium of creativity, and medium of knowledge.
Yes. I completely
So
agree with you.
yeah, so there are many disadvantage also. So would you like to tell disadvantage of this media
Yes.
platform?
Yes. Yes. Of course.
Yeah.
There is a advantage and disadvantage as well when we are using our when we are using social media. We cannot ignore social media this day, and
Yeah.
it's like a part of our life. Whenever we woke up, we check our phone, and
Yeah.
for checking phone we are spend some 5 minute or 10 minute we lost. And
Yeah.
every day everyone do this every day. Whenever they
Yeah.
woke up they check their phone, email, and WhatsApp, everything after they do their all work. So
Yes.
this is like they are disconnect with the social, as compared to the social media. They connect with the social media, and disconnect with the social
Yes.
group. Yes,
Yes.
so
We
they
are
yes,
disconnecting with the society.
society, and connect a lots. This it's like they connect more with the social media. So if they lots of people, this they have the problem of their family always say that you always engage with your phone. So
Yeah.
children say children will also wanted to do that. They also
Yes.
wanted to engage with the phone.
Yes.
Otherwise they are not interested to if you give mobile to any child, he will not tell you that let's go to the park. They will not tell
Yeah.
you. If you allow them to use mobile, so they will not tell
They are
you
not ready
any.
to go out.
Yes, any so that is a disadvantage. And yes, it's a good for learning. When you are using for learning, so it's a best instrument for that field. But if you are using for entertainment, every time whenever you
Yeah.
get some time, you are spending for entertainment. So there is
Yeah.
lots and lots of videos and lots of reels are available to entertain yourself. But
Yeah.
that entertainment is must be in a limited. If
Yeah.
we are able to understand what's the limit of entertainment, so that is good. If we cross the limited limit and everything we are doing out of limit, so that is
Yeah.
not good. So this social media going to bad impact on their life. they
Yeah. Yeah.
they spend their whole time on social media for entertainment, and
Yes.
then after they regret that I haven't done anything and I didn't get anything from that.
Yeah.
So
Wastage of
that is.
time.
And one more thing, when we are using it, when we are using, we can't understand where we are. We must to understand what we are uploading, just like
Yes.
photos, all information, whatever, where we are going, everything. Don't upload, don't use the social media just like your house, and you are send all the photos on social media. It's also
Yes.
a disadvantage, because
Yes.
you can't erase from everywhere.
Yeah.
If you
Yeah.
are, it is I'm also not agree with them that everything photos and everything, we are taking pictures and uploading on our Facebook. So that is I think disadvantage on
Yeah.
YouTube, on social media. And these problems face teenager more than like yeah,
Adults.
adults. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, because they don't have sense that what should they have to do. They are
Yes.
using just they are having pleasure only. They
Yes.
do whatever they feel delightful, so they do. They go on that way where they can get pleasure. They don't.
Yes.
They are unable to think that what is good and what is bad for their
Yes.
themselves.
Yes,
Yeah.
because the security of social media is little bit improper,
Yeah.
is inappropriate. It's not a
Yes.
properly secure.
Yes.
There is a not properly secure. So whenever you do something, first you think and after that you do. So that
Yeah.
is I think we must to understand that it is good
Yes,
for us.
there are many fake news publisher that they publish fake news in social media, and everyone is she and afraid that oh yeah, what happened, but it's really not happened.
Yes,
And
it's a, but
sometimes
it
yeah,
influence on
this is the
people.
fake. Yeah.
Yes.
And there
So
are cyber crimes happening by the social media, so some kind of people they are engaging, they all time engage on social media to manipulate someone or
yes,
threaten someone, to harass and bully someone.
yes,
So
yes,
that kind of people also available, so they are spoiling the platform.
yes, yes,
Yes.
absolutely. So this is the disadvantage and this advantage. So I have